Good day, teachers. It's time for Tech Know-How.
Your Chromebook has a number of tools built right into the operating system to help you. One of them is Dictation that allows you to speak the words that you want to type rather than typing them on the keyboard. When you're using this accessibility tool, you simply need to speak the words that you want to type. You can speak punctuation at the end, like saying the word period at the end of a sentence, and you can say new line or new paragraph when you want to do a return. Let me demonstrate how the tool works. If you don't already have accessibility tools easy to find, we're going to turn that on first. So go to the clock area, and if you don't have the little person in your menu here, you need to go turn it on. So go to the settings gear, over here to the left-hand side, down to advanced, and down to the little person, and then turn on the switch that says always show accessibility options in the systems menu. Now we're able to see the little person in our menu there. Click that down, and the tool we're going to turn on is Dictation. And you can see there's a blue check right there, and there's a microphone now that lives down here in the tray, and that's where you're going to turn Dictation on and off. So for example, when I want to use it on the search window, I can actually speak what I'm looking for. So I'm going to click it to turn it on. Welsh Corgi. Click the microphone to turn it off. And now I'm ready to search for the Welsh Corgi. I can also type onto a Google Doc in the same way. Now I have it turned on, period. This is how you speak to type in a Google Doc, period. New line. You can see my Chromebook is doing a pretty good job of listening to me, period. And that's how you use Dictation on your Chromebook. Have a day filled with love and learning. And if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.